Okay, we're live. Headline's falling out. Screen. Get ready for the inf loop. Woo! Anyhow, let's start on gold. Control F, full screen. F11, fuller screen. Move this out the way. Trading view. 8 hour time frame, levels, time that I left from last time, marking the times at which swings occur based on orders of fractal. Trying to explain, as if I were to explain to someone, I guess. May have to, right? So I've marked the vertical, the horizontal, now the rays that fit within, we'll see on a lower time frame. Right. Drop down to 240, 4 hour, make neat. Must make neat. This all fits there. This swing is smaller, so that's the larger one. That's the logic. 120, 2 hour, dropping down. The market has reacted to this. What's this? It's connected to this. Three, 5, 2, 6, 3. It's probably a waste of energy to do it like this. Gives me the illusion of control, of which you have none in the market. You don't control yourself. All right, so make neat. Oh, I can hide it. Make neat up to there. Right, so okay, clearly that was touched, broken. What time was it? 5 o'clock. Fucking missed it. So clear. What was I doing? Walking my dog. 30 minutes. Anyhow, we stop on the 15. Just chill and wait. Continue working to find on other time frames. Broke through all of these. Let's mark the vertical. Let's mark the forming swing. The terms I'm defining as I go. So if they sound no rubbish, there is this candle which they say has a gap. That's a strategy I don't know. I'm hesitant to mark the breakout swing for some reason. I have an issue with them, but I'm gonna mark it anyhow. All right, so mark it anyhow. Let's stop on the 15 minute. Now the question is, am I going to come and no? And why? Because they've already been broken. This is a new one. Well, I can also say it's a reaction to this. If the market were to come down here, it would be a reaction to this swing, and then a second touch of this one, and then even this. There's a much weaker level there that may have expired. There's the logic here. So let's see. However, this one is the priority because these have already been tapped. But let's see. So I'm going to put an alert here. Just above. Let's mark that like that. We need to see what the market says on the lower time frames. So the story is just from this time frame. I formed here, market then moved up, but this order retraced, then formed a larger order, advance, move, leg, impulse. The impulse is different. Broke above, retraced, could have retraced into this level, could have retraced into this, failed to reach this high, dropped back down. This was a nice but clear trade. Reaction, retracement, advance, back down to the level here. This could be coming here. It could be something here. Otherwise, if I feel that if I try at this level and at this one and at this one and at this one, it's infinite. You may as well try at this one and that one and that one. So you have to impose some rules. Otherwise, you're just taking whatever you fucking see. So that's that there. We'll see. Clear, boom, 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 boom. I don't know the future. I need to see what the market is doing on the lower time frame on oscillator. I'll check when it gets there. So in the meantime, I will set a reminder. Make the reminder also blue. Come back 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is my bedtime. I got a feeling. Let's see. 15 minutes. Right. Okay, that's something. Up to the 8 hour again. Broke this level. There's this one. This one it broke. It's approaching. Alright, close it up there. What is that big one? Probably a daily level. Why do I trade euro? Just volume. That's just higher volume, liquid market. But I am curious at other markets to see if my strategy holds up in other markets. So I'll leave that there. Marked at this here. 8 hour. I'm going to jump straight to the 2 hour because I can see levels there are small. Right, so let's use my calculator. 8. There's this one here. This one here. This one here. What is this? Low 1.14432. And this 1.30. And so still slightly above. Jump straight to the 30. I probably can avoid all these extra levels, but I feel like it's have to be thorough. It's going to sound a little bit gross, but I like the levels fresh meat. If the level, the line, the swing has already been touched, the meat is stale. The meat is stale. It's leftovers. I want fresh meat. For fresh meat, I need to take the risk. Right, I need to pull the trigger for fresh meat. I already have the gold. So let's go back. Let's see. Did I miss something on a lower time frame? No. I hate that. Part of me wants to just keep working. Yeah, believe it. Gold and euro US dollar. Let's go back. Let's sit down. This live session might be a boring one. — 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm waiting. I'm out there, and now I keep working. What's gonna be the next instrument? So after hours, it's US hours now. This is the logic. Nasdaq. What is the index that they call it? US 100. Yeah, NAS 100. Forex.com. Put it up in the MT4. You can see the MT4. US 100 cash money. 1 hour. It's quite a wide stop. Where's my take profit? There. 0.25. US 100. Wrong downtrend there. 5 minutes. Possible. I don't know the future. Hold on, let me actually do. Go back. So that's that there. Nasdaq 100. So that's a bit of diversification. Feel the compulsive urge, the worry, oh, I'm not going to find something. So there's that there. I hate sitting and waiting on the 1 minute. So let's go and do that. No. 15 minutes. Yep. Okay, so let's go up to NASDAQ. Start on the 2-day. It's just why 2-day? What's so special about it? Nothing. It's just a there. First candle, right? And then all of these are all confirmed. All this is a breakout. Yeah, got that there. Let's close them off like this. Interesting. That's here. Right, so you can close it off. I don't know if that's a breakout. The 8 helps. And the next order is here. Jesus, I'm gonna give this away for free. Fucking hell. Look how brilliant it is. Look how easy it is to mark fucking levels. Right, 1 day down to 2-day down to the 1 day. $8 clickety clickety clickety, just like a desk job, just like a run-of-the-mill desk job. I'm sitting at a desk, fucking up my spine, causing serious indigestion. I used to have a standing desk. Let's see, the alerts didn't go off, so keep working. All right. No, let's not allow that there. 2 hour, we'll need to. God, it's exactly the same as a desk job. Exactly the same. Staring at a computer, fucking clicking a keyboard. This promises financial freedom, and yet I have spent hundreds of thousands of shekels on this and have had to go back to the corporate world to get a real office job. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a technician of what? Of gold. This is 23,051.5. 23,250.7. So that's that there. This would then be the breakdown. 15 minutes. There's nada. Nada. Could I have? It's not the system. I see now that this is a breakout and a retracement of this move. Asking myself, could I, if I had stayed on the 1 minute only and just focused on gold, I could sell it for every other strategy. If I followed a completely different strategy on a completely different instrument, then I would have taken a trade at a completely different time. I've done those. Might be nothing. Clickety, clickety, clickety. Clickety, clickety, clickety. Clickety, clickety, clickety. Oh, T. H. H. That's what that is. That's an H. You make the body into an H. Here you make the body into an X. Think of everything physically. I'm telling you, I'm going to be a pioneer of trading as a physical sport, like any other sport. Prioritize the physical. As I stand here, dead stationary with fucking terrible bloating. Destroyed my health. Yeah, it's fine that there's that. What other instrument can I add to the list? US dollar yen or Bitcoin. How's the spread on Bitcoin? On what's his name? It's pretty tight. Got crypto. Yeah, also. I'm like amazed that I'm in profit. I'm fucking amazed. Look. Okay, well, not really low chance that I'm going to have a stop that narrow. Let's see. How much is it? Wow, 67,000. Sad Bitcoin. Yeah, on forex.com, BTC. Again, jump to the 2-day. Shift F. Interesting. I have framed the marquee, and so I now have I know within what areas I'm trading. Mark the in between. Saying this out loud because I got a feeling I'm gonna have to teach it in order to pay my way forward. Daily time frame there. One day, 480. Sure, when I'm full time, it's what it's going to be like. So it gets very lonely. Above, sure, there's a lot going on here. This breakout, which I have an issue with. Right, so Bitcoin. Again, there is this relatively large candle with a gap in between the candle bar before and the bar after. It also coincides with this breakout swing and a zone over which the swing may occur. 68,000. Sure, I am straight up guessing or regurgitating what I've heard people say rather than knowing it for myself. Sure. It's the end of my day already, and I'm tired. Yeah. It's right there. I don't know. I will be trading the retracement of this. All I have is this. Fucking hell, I missed it. And it was part of the system. Just taking the card dipped below 50. This level. This level. I think this is the trade of the session. What it could have been. So I possibly would have entered. Yeah, 81.51. Would have entered here. Stop there. Two pips. 3.1. Bet I missed it. It's not so bad. It's not. It's kind of a manipulation of the system to try and look for a trade. According to what I was looking for, it wasn't what I was looking for. You see, now you have to wait. But I can rest at least. Sit here. I'm calling it. I'm calling the end of the session. Okay, it was good practice. Good warm-up. I'm going to, let's stop at 120, 240. It's interesting. Look how close that is. Yeah, interesting from this point of view. Was that? I believe we'll come back 4 hour. 8 o'clock already. Interesting that to see the levels within a bar. Seeing the levels within a bar. I'm sure there's something there. There's something to that. Delete that. Four hour. Interesting. Anyhow, I'm calling it an end. Infinite loop again. Stop sharing. Thanks for watching. Same guy, just minus the dog. But he's still alive, thank God. I keep saying that he's going to die soon. So just be grateful. Shut up. In stream. Bye.